not even a very big one. Have a PPT kind of stuff is there, but to tell very easy way. Just simple what is cloud kind of stuff. Cloud is not storage, guys. That is not a correct answer. Cloud is a storage. So some people tell this kind of answer. Even they learn cloud computing, they are telling this kind of answer. No, it is not storage. It is we are accessing different services through internet. Different kind of infrastructure services. You are accessing infrastructure services. For example, virtual machines. Okay, so you have to create your virtual machine in your PC. It will take time. It will need more hardware resources. It need a more hardware, like a CPU is required, RAM, hard disk. These resources required. Okay, but simply you can go to cloud and you can create a virtual machine and you can access the virtual machines. So virtual machines are servers, different type of servers. Anybody can use, like install virtual machines. But a server, you can install a server like a Windows Server 2019. I want it, but I can't install in my PC. I cannot create a virtual machine in my PC. My infrastructure is not support. Then what I will do? Simply I'll go to cloud, and it will access from anywhere, anytime. Pay as you go. Storage. What is infrastructure? Servers are there. Storage is there. Database. Different type of databases you can access. Okay. Applications. Applications. Different type of application. You can develop an applications. You can access an application through cloud. Different type of platforms. You can develop your own application on the cloud platform. Okay. IoT services, DevOps services. Okay. Like this. I don't put IoT, but that is a thing. Like this. Different type of infrastructure services you can access. Network related services. Okay. Network related services you can able to access through internet. You can access from anywhere. No need to sit in your home place. Like you can access from anywhere, any device, and any time. Okay. You can access from anywhere, any device, anytime, because you are connected to internet. Through internet you are accessing. Okay. So what are the benefits of cloud? What are the simple way I'm telling, guys? Simple way I'm telling. What are the benefits of cloud? Benefits of cloud. So one more point, it is pay as you go. Pay as you go means pay only for what you use. Pay only for what you use, not for everything. Okay. Simple example I will tell you guys. I can buy a car, right? So I purchase a car. For example, the car cost is 5 to 6 lakhs. So I have to buy a car, means there is a down payment, EMIs, or maybe direct cash. I purchase a car. Second, I have to drive, right? Otherwise, I have to hire the driver, right? And I have to maintain my car, petrol, everything. So I'm not much use of car. Occasionally, I will go. I go to office morning and came back in the evening. So what I will do? Go to Uber, Ola, right? We'll rent a car. I want to go somewhere tour. So today is something like maybe this weekend I want to go someplace. I will rent a car directly. So you don't need to buy car. You need to maintain the car. You need to put anything inside a car. Just you will get a pickup from your place. You will drop. You are paying only for what you use. The person car owner will maintain this remaining things. One example. Second example, I'm telling in a simple way. This is maybe you know or no, but it is a old style part. Earlier days, we have to, what we do, we don't have our own computers, printers, internet is difficult in a home setup. Now it is there, okay. Now in my home, I have a printer, I have a computer, I have a internet. So earlier days, we don't have these two things. So what we do, simply we'll go to internet center, go to internet centers are there, take a computer, do whatever the work you have to do, the internet related. So you check the emails, you do resume preparation and for example, resume preparation. You don't have a laptop, you don't have internet, you don't have a printer. You go to internet center, you download a one resume template and change according to yours. Okay. Then you give a print out will came out. Then the guy will tell you this is the amount for a usage of computer, usage of printer. Of course, internet access also there. Okay. For example, for 1 hour, 20 rupees, printout is 2 rupees per page. You taken a 2 pages, 24 rupees. Then you paid and come back. He don't charge you for a not used utilization, right? He don't charge that like you use for 1 hour and he don't charge for 24 hours or 1 month internet bill you have to pay. He won't charge you like that. He has charging only for usage only. He will maintain computer, no need to maintain yours. He will pay internet bill. He will maintain the printer, right? So same goes, guys. These infrastructure, what are the infrastructure like servers, storages, database servers, application servers, network related routers, switches, cables, firewalls, public IP addresses, all these things a organization is maintaining for their work purpose. Now what happened? They have to maintain the infrastructure. They have to maintain the infrastructure. Maintaining the infrastructure. Maintenance of infrastructure. What is infrastructure? Like servers, routers, switches, storage devices, cables, firewalls, security things, right? VPN servers and public connectivity, public IP addresses, leased lines. These are all comes under infrastructure. So they have to maintain, monitor. Okay, any issues are there, they have to troubleshoot. All this comes under maintenance of infrastructure. No need of own or maintain infrastructure on yourself in a cloud. Okay, so which one we are doing that one. Okay, so You have to maintain your server operating systems, services, okay, server operating systems, storage devices, right? These applications, securities. One server is not enough. You have to maintain a multiple servers, okay, redundancy kind of stuff. High available means when you are taking certain service from cloud, it is always available. You can access from anywhere through internet, direct internet, no need of maintaining, no need of VPN or a leased lines. Okay. It is a pay as you go type, means pay only for what you use. Of course, that is the line you have to add here. So pay as you go type. No need of maintaining VPN, leased lines, no need to cost. The cost is also two type of cost is there, guys. One is CapEx and OpEx. CapEx and OpEx. What is CapEx and OpEx, guys? Capital expenditure. Capital expenditure. What is capital expenditure? I want to buy infrastructure. I have to buy a servers. I have to buy storage devices, networking devices. Okay, all this infrastructure I have to buy. Buy means I have to put a certain money. I have to take something like a 10 lakhs or 20 lakhs or 50 lakhs or 1 crore rupees. So I have to invest to purchase my infrastructure. That is a capital expenditure. Operational expenditure. OpEx means operational expenditure. What is operational expenditure? You have to maintain. Maintenance, like you need employees for a maintenance, monitoring system, certain monitoring softwares are required. Need a people to manage the servers, storage devices, like a server administrator is required, storage administrator is required, database administrator is required, network engineer or network administrator is required. Okay, so and physical security. Okay, physical security is required. It's the infrastructure, it's a crores of rupees, and has a lot of information. So you have to protect from both physical attacks and as well as a network attacks. Okay, physical security and network security. By network security, some people will attack through the network. So you have to manage physical security, network security kind of stuff. But in a cloud, you don't need to maintain. No capital expenditure, no operating expenditure also. Why? Because you are not owning any kind of infrastructure thing, just you are pay as you go. Okay. Not owning any infrastructure here. You're not owning any infrastructure. Just pay as you use. Some other benefits also there, guys. Like so, for example, you're a developer. You're a developer. You're a developer. what people developer will do, as you know, I will tell a story like you are a Java developer or maybe Python application developer. So you're a developer. Now you need a system to run your code, to type your code, you run your code, and to test your code, right? So first of all, you will code it, okay? You will test it, you will build it, you run it. So like this, so many things in the development environment will happen. You'll code it, you'll develop a code, and you'll test the code, you'll build the code, you'll run the code, okay? Your applications kind of stuff, right? So you need an environment, and the environment has an infrastructure limitation, okay? No infrastructure limitation, okay? So you don't need to worry. What is this? I received a message. Okay, I will do it. Just I will telling some story. Okay. Simple means no need to worry. No need to worry. Just do work. Do your work. Keep doing your work. Just do. Yes. It means you want to develop and you want to test it, you want to build it, you want to run it. Anything you want to do it, you need a infrastructure, right? So like there is a particular server is required or a particular machine is required. So there has this limitation of CPUs, RAM, and all kind of stuff. But cloud also provide a platform as a service. Simply you can develop as your requirement. Okay, you don't have to worry about so RAM is enough space is there or not, disk is enough space is in the disk is there or not. You don't have to worry. Simply you can just do your work. Keep doing, keep develop. We want a result, not a limitation of a system. So that's what we are telling about a cloud. Okay, just try to understand, guys. I'm giving just overview only. Only mainly 3-4 points are there. I will tell. Okay, here it is a different type of clouds are there. Type deployment. This is types are based on the cloud deployments called public cloud, private cloud, hybrid cloud. What is public cloud? What is a public cloud? Example for public cloud is AWS, Azure, Google GCP, OCA, Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. IBM also providing IBM Cloud is there. Okay, Ocean kind of stuff. So many other clouds are there. Public cloud. Public clouds means any individual or organization can access. Cloud. Of course, payment is there. Like for example, Savantis using a AWS cloud, for example. Or I am also using my own account with the AWS. An individual or a organization can use it. It's a multi-tenant. Multi-tenant means any person can take a cloud services. Any person or an organization can utilize this public cloud services. Any person same only our organization use cloud services. Does not mean free, guys. A lot of people think it is a free type. No. Next one is, what is a private cloud? Private cloud is, it is only for internal organization users only. It is a single tenant. It is a single tenant. Don't worry, I didn't started any attendance. Okay, so it is a single tenant type for organization, for internal organization. For example, TCS is there. TCS having their own data centers. They created their own cloud environment for their organization only, not for outsiders, not for outside organizations. Okay, cannot be accessed by out of organization people. Cannot access or used by other than the organization. Okay, private. So how to build the private cloud? So of course there is a different tools are there, like a VMware, vCloud. It's a old one is vCloud directory. Okay, so vCloud directory, SCAC, Microsoft. That is Microsoft Cloud is also there. Okay, OpenStack. So it's for anyone. So it's a open source. Remaining is not open source. Okay, of course I said a cloud, but there is a step-by-step building is there. But this is okay. Next one is hybrid. What is a hybrid cloud? It is a an organization has their own private cloud. Okay, organization has their own cloud, but it need for some time a additional infrastructure, for example, their project infrastructure. Okay, additional infrastructures. So what they will do, they go for public cloud. So simply say, guys, it is a combination of private cloud plus public cloud. Okay, that is a hybrid. Of course, there is a community cloud is also there. These three are enough. Next, services, cloud based on the as services. Okay, not cloud services. So cloud is in the category of services type, not deployments. Cloud deployment is types as services based on as services. Infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service. Okay. What is this? Infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service. This infrastructure as a service. I need a virtual machine with a certain number of CPUs, RAM, and a disk. That is a infrastructure as a service. It's exactly say compute service comes under compute type of domain. Compute services. Okay. So like a virtual machines, storage. Okay. Storage, network. These are all comes under, of course, not only compute services, storage services, okay, network related services. These are all comes under infrastructure as a services. What is platform as a service? You want to build and run an application, so you need a environment. For example, you want to build and run an application. What we need? Environment. That environment is platform as a service. One more is there, like a Microsoft SQL server. Services. Okay. Elastic Beanstalk. SQL database service. NoSQL. Software as a service. Software as a service directly are accessing a service. What I'm using it is Office, Microsoft. Now name changed. 365. Now Microsoft 365. Dynamic 365. Sales. Force. Google Docs. These are all a software as a service, means accessing application directly, no virtual machine, no creation. Okay, software as a service exactly say application through application directly through internet. So we can access Office 365. Okay. Dynamic 365. Dynamic is a CRM. Salesforce also CRM softwares. Okay, guys, these are the infrastructure as a service. Two things, remember, cloud properties. Two properties I want to tell. One is scalability. Another one is elasticity. So once we have tried to check the spelling. Elastic. Elasticity. ELA. Elasticity. What is elasticity? Scalability means ability to add more, means you can ability to increase like either it can be a infrastructure or a storage or anything. You can ability to increase your scalability. So there's two things in the scaling, guys. One is scaling in that one horizontal and vertical. Horizontal scaling, vertical scaling. Okay, so vertical means increasing size, means within the same infrastructure, just you are increasing size, like number of CPUs, RAM, or storage. Scaling horizontal. Okay, horizontal means adding additional virtual machines. Instances. Instances. Example, virtual machines. Okay, adding additional instances. What is elasticity? What is elasticity, guys? It is the ability to increase or decrease why my spellings are correct. This increase and decrease. I'm typing something, I don't know whether right or wrong. Ability to increase or a decrease your infrastructure or a storage, decrease instances based on demand. We can say load. Okay, exactly say that is called a scale up and scale down. kind of automatic scale up and scale down. Very simple, guys. You take a balloon or an elastic band, you stretch, it will expand. You leave it, it collapses. Okay, and collapse. This is the elasticity. Auto scaling. Auto scaling means, so based on demand, or load increase instances and balance load within instances. Okay, I tried something. You understand or not, guys? You know, one server got a lot of load. One server get receiving a lot of load from the public. Okay, so from traffic. So what happened? So it cannot perform. Like for example, in my laptop, I run a multiple applications. It cannot withstand, right? So what I will do, either I have to increase my processing capacity, RAM capacity, storage capacity. If I increase it, so then load is balanced. Load will be balanced. Otherwise, I have to distribute this load to multiple instances, multiple servers. I have to distribute the load to multiple servers. So that is called a load balancing. Okay, load balancing. Load balancing. Auto load balancing. Load balancing. Concept is load balancing. What is load balancing? Now load increases. What I have done, I scale my load, means I increase my multiple servers, 10 servers. Instead of 5 servers, I put a 10 servers. So the load is distributed to 10 servers, means each individual server will get a lesser load, right? That is the use of scaling and load balancing. What is elasticity? What is elasticity? What is elasticity? Means the scaling means adding. Okay, adding. But how to add? If you are adding, okay, but if load is reduced, then what happen? You have to remove it. So this function make it automatic. It is automatically add the instances and collapse the instances automatically. That is the elastic nature of cloud. If more load increases, like a rubber band, it will be stretches. Like you stretch the rubber band, then what happen? It increases, right? The size increases. Okay, and you reduce the load, size reduces. Same thing. So load increases, automatically number of instances, means number of servers, virtual machines will deploy and balance the load. Now the load is reduced, the demand is reduced. Okay, so not much. For example, guys, flash sales, Amazon sales are there, no? Like weekend sales, Ramjan sales, or Sankranti sales, or maybe Republic Day sales. So what happened? Load increases, offers 50% discount, 20% discount. So what happened? Load increases. Launch time means they launch a new mobile, so you have to buy in first 5 minutes. Load increases, so automatically these instance will be increases. Now load is not that much, so what is this? Instead of why we require a 10 or a 20 servers. So better to keep it 5. So it will automatically collapse. So that is called a elastic nature. Auto scaling automatically increases. Load balancing, balance the instances, means virtual machines or servers, whatever the name you put it, okay. Not only this, geo replications, okay. So data centers, cloud data centers, okay, cloud data centers locate in different geographical locations. You can store or run your instances anywhere. Okay, so that is a geographical replication. Disaster recovery is also there. So any geographical location got a disaster, there is a problem also recover. Okay, so I think I told main points. Yes, you got the point. Up to here, do you recollect some memories of your cloud? Hmm? Guys, please respond.
Sorry, yes, sir.
Yeah. Then I don't get it. Okay, so I will tell this topic, guys. Then also you guys don't respond, please. I will close that for today. Okay, don't worry. All the topics already I shared a videos. If in case any videos I will give you, because guys we are also trying to our level best. We are traveling from our home paying 200, 250 rupees for auto. One part from my home to here in office for auto, 250 rupees. Struggling traffic. We came, we said, we telling same story every day. And still you guys don't worry, okay, he is talking something, we do what is that, not my class. Okay. So not only interview guys, it's the point is most of you don't know most of the things. Just participation will keep interest because a lot of people are not even speaking anything. Most of the people. We are also speaking like that. Even I have to ask at least 5 times each and every point. Okay, so this is this one. Like we have to go with a two-way discussion about it. Okay, about a cloud, a different type of questions, interactive questions are there. People are not speaking, and we are not asking, and the class is completely bored. Even really, some people want to learn. Also, we are unable to do it because I become a better trainer because of my students. I become a worst trainer now because of my students only. Not because of my organization, not because of my knowledge. Okay, only because of the student making like this. Low silent. You tell just whether we listen or not. Don't worry. Okay, this kind of concept. I don't know why I'm teaching. Why should I teach also? Like this is sometimes people will ask general questions. That's why I'm telling the cloud. Okay. Otherwise, I don't tell. Like almost like last 3 4 batches, I didn't touch any cloud related. Even we don't have a time. Still, it is better to know it. Guys, we have a office, regular office means local installation of office either home edition or a pro edition, or it can be a student edition, like a 2019 edition is there, 22 edition is also came into market. So this is can install in one PC or one Mac kind of stuff. Can install and use one PC or one Mac. So it is a kind of stuff, one PC or one Mac and one user type. Okay, so you will get a Word, Excel, PowerPoint, optionally Outlook. Okay, and one or two additional points are there. Okay, so you can access your Office application from your device, PC or Mac only. Okay, so this is about Office 365, and coming to the support and updates are limited. Support and updates are limited. New version required, then purchase. Next, coming to this Microsoft Office, olden days means earlier the name is Office 365. Now it is name changed to Microsoft Office 365. Here it is. You have a home edition and business edition is also there. Home edition and business edition is there. Okay, in home also we have a personal, another one is a family. Two editions are there. In home edition you can see personal and family editions. So this is can access your Office from anywhere, any device and any time kind of stuff. Anywhere, any device, from your PC or Mac or mobile, any device you can able to access. You can access online and offline. Okay, you get a 1 TB of OneDrive. What is OneDrive? Out storage. So you can access the storage from anywhere, anytime, like a Google Drive. One terabyte of OneDrive will get it. Personal means one license, one user. Family means up to 5 to 6 users, because sometimes 5, sometimes 6. So we'll get it. each user you will get it. Okay. Of course, same Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, continuous support and updates. New features. That is enough. Okay. It is a pay as you go. Cancel anytime. Of course, very important it is Office 365 is a subscription model. Subscription model like your Netflix, you're subscribed for a month or year. Okay, it's a subscription model. That's enough. Business additionally business same as home. Business for organizations. Different business packages are there. Standard enterprise kind of stuff packages are there. I'm not going because you are not interested in anything. No problem. What is Office 365 is important. It is also asking sometimes. That's why I told this one. Business for organizations purpose only. So you'll get a additional services. Example, exchange. Exchange service. It is a mail service. Microsoft Exchange service, a mail server related. SharePoint service. Microsoft Teams. We are using Teams, right? Microsoft Teams services. Intune services. Intune services. Of course, OneDrive is another service. That's a different. OneDrive is common. So, what are the home? You are getting same thing, but in business, you are getting so. Okay, these are the certain services. Additionally, you are getting from the business. Okay, of course, the based on the packages, charges will be changes. The charges are like this. This is also subscription model, but this is per user per month charge. Per user per month. You have a 10 users, 10 into 10 users, 10 users cost you have to pay per month. Okay. Of course, first month free kind of stuff is there. That's it. Okay, this is about your Okay, so I will share this document later. That's it.